Production. DJBUMMA Production. From Jamaica to Canada, one love, one dream. Yeah, Canada, my lovely Canada. Oh, Canada, my lovely Canada. Sweet, sweet country, you take me higher. Sometimes cold and sometimes warm, but you keep shining like the morning sun. From the Caribbean, I came your way, looking for a better life each day. Oh, Canada, oh, my lovely Canada. Never give up, keep moving on. Hey. I came from Jamaica with hope in my soul, looking for a place where a dream could grow. Canada welcome me, said come make your way. Work hard, stay strong, build a better day. Respect the law and do what is right. Pay your taxes, keep your future bright. Help one another, live peacefully. That's the kind of Canada I want to see. Oh, you Canada, my lovely Canada. Sweet, sweet country, you take me higher. Sometimes cold and sometimes warm, but you keep shining like the morning sun. From the Caribbean, I came your way, looking for a better life each day. Oh, Canada, oh, my lovely Canada. Never give up, keep moving on. From coast to coast, so much to see. Beautiful land and opportunity. Maple leaf flying in the sky, a symbol of hope reaching way up high. History teaches where we came from, many generations making Canada strong. Different cultures, different ways, coming together through the changing days. Hockey on the ice, let's go. Basketball, baseball, watch them go. Soccer, curling, football too. Canada got sports for me and you. Winter comes and the snow falls down, then summer sunshine warms the town. Spring brings flowers, autumn leaves, for beautiful seasons. What a country to believe. If you're coming here with a dream, don't give up when life gets hard. Keep on working, keep believing. Every little step can take you far. Jamaica to Canada, hand in hand, building dreams in a beautiful land. No matter where you're coming from, Canada can be a place to belong. Oh, Canada, oh, my lovely Canada. Sweet, sweet country, you take me higher. Sometimes cold and sometimes warm, but you keep shining like the morning sun. From the Caribbean, I came your way, and I'm thankful for every single day. Oh, Canada, oh, my lovely Canada. Land of hope and opportunity. Canada, from Jamaica to Canada, here we stand, building dreams in a beautiful land. Jamaica to Canada, to Canada. Canada to the world, respect, hard work and opportunity. That's the dream. Oh, Canada, oh, my lovely Canada. One love, oh, Canada, oh, my lovely Canada. My home, away from home. DJBUMMA Production.